Hello there, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how you can add users to your account and assign them different permissions. This is a great tool to help you allocate work to your team by allowing them to access your account without granting full permission. If you have VAs working for you, this can be especially beneficial. To create a new user, start off by logging into your account on Vumber.com. Click on your username in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Then choose Manage Users. From here, select New User. You will then see different fields to input basic information on your user. However, you will notice in the top beside Role, you have two options to choose from, Agent and Manager. A manager can create new users, add or delete numbers, and manage all number settings, whereas an agent is allowed to view call records, make calls, or send text messages using the Vumber app, and delete calls and text messages. When you have chosen their role and their information is entered into the respective fields, you can hit Create User and the setup will be complete. You can also send them an invitation email notifying them of the new role. Once a user has been added, you can upgrade them to an advanced user, which allows for more benefits and control over the account. You can do this by selecting the user you wish to upgrade in the Manage User screen, and then click Permissions down the bottom. When taken to the screen, you will see the added benefits of an advanced user, such as access to the web phone, which allows them to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, right from their computer. Simply choose Add Advanced User to make this upgrade. This extra feature is billed at $10 per month. So that is an overview of adding users to your account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know by contacting support@vumber.com. Bye for now.